For this assignment, you are reading Chapter 1 of the book you started last week, Opinions about Driverless Cars. So remember, the introduction was sort of an overview showing both sides. Chapter 1, as it says on pages 6 through 11, let me just navigate there, is talking all about the benefits, so the good sides. Remember, like I talked about earlier with the 2 opinion pieces, this is a persuasive text, and it'll give you an opinion, it'll give you reasons, and it'll give you explanations for those reasons, that Oreo structure. So be on the lookout for the reasons they're giving you and the explanation of those reasons. Often those explanations have facts to back them up. So this is all one side of it, the opinion that the benefits, what's good about it. Next week, you'll read the negatives, sort of the downsides of driverless cars. What you have to write after you read is what is the best feature of driverless cars and why. Now, that's an opinion. It's not necessarily going to say this is the best feature. It'll give you some benefits. It'll tell you some good reasons, right? Fewer accidents, explain. More free time, then it explains it. Developing a new industry, safer roads and a safer society. So there's a number of different reasons they point out, and they give reasons to back each of those up. So then you can decide, what do you think the best feature is, and why do you think that is? The best answers are going to be ones that support your opinion with things from the text. So just like the text gives an opinion, reasons, and explanation, you can also use that in your answer. In your opinion, what's the best feature? Give me a reason why, and then give me facts to support it. Would sort of be that S+ answer. But at least tell me what you think the best feature is and why. And if you need any help, any support, let me know. Good luck.